what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a different type of video because the last video I posted, y'all were not messing with it, so I decided to switch up the content a little bit, play around with it. But yeah, this is gonna be a reset routine slash Sunday reset. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. I will occasionally pop in to tell you what I am doing. Okay, y'all, so I am cleaning up my side table slash nightstand. I recently got these new white flowers, so I had to situate them. Now I'm organizing. I don't really know what to call this. What do y'all call it? Tabby? I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what this is. So I just finished, well, not finished, I still have some things to pick up, but you know, the fun thing is accessorizing your room. These things be a little bit different, but hopefully this thing looks cute from Target. I'm gonna set it up. Okay, so this day was very, very rainy, and this was actually on Sunday. Today is Sunday. I'm recording this on Sunday, so yes. Now I am vacuuming my floors. There's stuff all over, bro. Why didn't y'all tell me to get under my bed? I had to go up under there later and actually pick everything up. So yeah. Now I'm situating clothes by color. I am currently scrubbing the mess out of this tub, y'all. My back started hurting while I was trying to do this. So yes, y'all, I got it spick and span. Alright, so now it's time to put in the first load, which is towels. Y'all, don't mind the liquid bleach tray. Don't mind it. It's a little bit dusty. Go check yours. Yours is probably dusty too, but don't judge, okay? But we were actually almost out, so stick around to see what I had to do. A little bit of an update. We are in the grocery store. Alright, y'all, so I'm just here to get a few things. So I'm gonna show you what I got. And I'm about to go in the body section because every time I come here, yeah. These are probably $45. So I had to clean up the office, and I noticed that the carpet was very, very dirty. Ooh, I'm heavy-handed, but so I went ahead and vacuumed that. So that'd be the third thing that I vacuumed today. And there was a bunch of stuff on the floor, so I had to stop vacuuming and then, proceed. And my niece wanted to help me. No, I did not push her. But she did want to help, and she's so sweet. This is the second load, and I had to take them from the washer and put them in the dryer, but that was all hard to film. So yeah, I'm just taking them and putting them in the dryer. Okay, guys, so please don't mind how I look, y'all. It's been a rough week. I've been breaking out like crazy, y'all, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video is more like low-key, like not a whole lot of talking. It's just like cleaning motivation, like get your life together, sis. Get it together, okay? Hopefully this is all the motivation that you needed, okay? But I still have to wash one more set of things, and I have to fold some things, and I have to put some things in the dryer, and shower, and go to bed. And that's really it. But thank you for watching. Bye.